Okay, important Infinite Campus information regarding this new policy. First, just stuff for me. If you see a grade X, that means the assignment is exempt. Either it was a synchronous assignment and you were absent, or you did not have to complete that assignment. Sometimes there's choice and you did the other assignment instead of that one. It doesn't matter. If you see a grayed out X and it says exempt, that means you do not have to complete it. Okay. Anytime you see an empty box, though, that means you didn't do it. So what's going to happen when it's time for teachers to put grades in at the end of the progress reports or end of the quarter, we have to put in zeros for these assignments. So let's look. This student at the top, you can see is missing no assignments. No big deal. Okay, that grade is actually accurate. You can see there's something crossed out. There's going to be maximum of 2 assignments crossed out because I drop one in each category. But let's look at this student, second here, who has a 94. When I put a 0 in for this assignment, the grade drops to a 93. Not a big deal because this student isn't missing a lot of things. But let's look here. This student is missing many more things. Had a 65, okay? This one you had to do 1 in each category, so let's just put in 2 zeros. Oh, down to a 41. Okay, that's misleading. Let's skip down right here. Here's a student with a 90 and has a couple things missing. Let's put in those zeros, just 1 for this column, and we're down to a 75. So that 90 was clearly not accurate. Oh, here's another one. This 87, let's put a 0. Okay, down to an 85. No big deal because missing 1 thing. Here's another one that has a 90. Let's put in these zeros. Down to a 59. Again, you have to be very careful because those empty boxes are going to become zeros.